Check, check, Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Ah! Set it. Good throw, gee. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some one-wheel football. Jude's gonna be guarding me, and Luke's gonna be playing the quarterback role, so let's get into it. All right, first person to get past the water trough. No, touchdown is past Bandit.
All right, let's do it.
Let's get it.
All right, let's line up. You ready?
Yeah, I got about, I feel like sliding switch with him.
You think? He's gonna blow by you.
No.
Okay.
Hear me out. If he blows by me,
you gas it?
I'm with
Okay.
He thinks that's gonna help. That's only gonna help if you're on deep offense. He's gonna lose.
All right, right here. We're gonna start right here.
Hey, if you like this video, then we'll do some one-wheel U-ball next, which is gonna be pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited for that one.
Set.
Oof, oof. Cut back, cut back. Oh, switch around. Oh.
All right,
I
0-1.
got you on clamps.
Second down.
You ain't got nothing, homeboy. Oh, beat him. Burn him. Burn him. Burn him. Burn him.
Third down. Third down, Noah. Go. Oh my God, go!
Where are you
You
going?
already tagged me.
One-wheel, I can't
No way!
jump. Okay, don't ever do that again.
Go.
I had to go switch, Dad.
Touchdown, baby! All right, no, one more. Let me try to
How deep
get
can
ready.
you throw? Let me see. How deep can you throw? Disrespect me.
Oh, he's down right there. Good job.
Motion, motion. Say hi, say hi. Go. Oh.
Man, the defense is crazy. The defense is crazy. Go.
Oh, oh, got him on the flip flop. Where's he go? Oh. Got him, burn him.
That was pretty cool. I like that.
Burnt out that campfire.
I like that.
We don't need that.
Dad.
I like that. Stop, he's gonna hurt himself. Stop, Noah.